Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to be doing a MacBook Air unboxing and showing you guys what's in the box, what it looks like, what it comes with, and all that. Okay, so it came in this box, which is, I don't know, a decent size. So I'm just gonna open, well it's already open, but I'm just gonna take the smaller box out of the box. And yeah, it just looks like this. Then it has some details on the back. But yeah, this comes in another box. Okay, so I just have to grab some scissors because it's wrapped in plastic wrap, which is pretty strong. So I just grabbed some scissors so I could rip it open. And yeah. So now I'm just taking off the top layer. If it will come off. Okay, but this is what it looks like. I got it in silver. And yeah, it's in another layer of plastic wrap, which is a good thing, I guess. But it's really light. And yeah. And then it just comes with this, a cable, and then a little flap. And I guess it's like the adapter, the wall adapter. But yeah, then I guess this is just like the user manual. But guys, I'm so happy that it's here. So I took out the wrap. Okay, and inside it just has another layer of protection on the screen. And it has speakers on the side. This is so much nicer than the one I had before. And I'm taking it off. It's so cute. But yeah, it's automatically turning on. Like, as soon as I took it out of this, it started booting. Magic. So now I'm just gonna select the language.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Alright. But yeah, now I'm gonna switch the camera so you guys can see what I see as I set it up.
It contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver. If you know how to use VoiceOver, press Command F5 now to turn it on and set up your Mac. If you would like to learn how to use VoiceOver to set up your Mac, press the Escape key.
I'm just gonna do it the normal way, so I know I'm doing. I'm gonna put in the Wi-Fi. Okay, so I put in the Wi-Fi, and now I'm just continuing with the setup. And it's asking me if I want to transfer my information. I don't think I'm gonna do that just because I'm not getting rid of my old Mac, so now I'm just logging into my Apple ID. Okay, now it's just the terms and conditions. Okay, I just want to show you guys a side-by-side of my Mac from 2011 and then the 2020 MacBook Air. So as you can see, the 2020 MacBook is like, it's 13 inches, so the screen is bigger and everything, but they've like shrunk the charging port and everything. And I don't see a USB slot. Like on this one, there's USB slots on the side. And then on this one, as you can see, there's no USB slots anywhere. But yeah. Also, just comparing again, the mouse pad is bigger on the 2020 one than on the 2011 one. And the keyboard is like more inside the computer. I guess that's to save space as well. and this one is like the keyboard is all out. Okay, so now I'm gonna set up my Touch ID, and I was looking for this when I opened it, and I did not know it's actually this little button in the corner right here. But now I'm just setting it up, which is so cool. It's like your iPhone, you can pick the light option or the dark option, which most people call night mode, or you can do auto, so it'll choose itself. But I'm gonna set it up as dark mode because, of course, I guess this means I'm almost done. Okay guys, now it is all set up and this is what it looks like. Thank you guys so much for watching this unboxing / comparison type deal. Please like and subscribe and turn on the notifications so you can see when I post another video, and yeah.